Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is supersede. It's pronounced su-per-seed, and it is spelt S-U-P-E-R-S-E-D-E. Think super and then seed. Supersede means to take the place of a person or thing. For example, you could say, most of the older roads in the town were superseded by the newer motorways. The word supersede comes directly from the Latin supersedere, meaning to sit on top of. You might think this is strange, but by superseding something, you are replacing or overtaking it. You end up on top of it or better than it. Do you see the connection? Can you think of a famous TV character that has been played by many different actors and one actress over the years, with each one superseding the last? I'll give you a clue. It's an alien. Doctor Who, an alien Time Lord, has the ability to regenerate and change its entire body. Therefore, each time it does this, it supersedes itself, and a new actor is introduced to supersede the last. Supersede is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, he hoped to supersede his boss and take his position in the company one day. Or, the princess superseded her mother and became queen. Supersede is defined in the dictionary as to replace something, especially something older or more old-fashioned. Supersede synonyms include replace, supplant, take over, substitute, displace, overthrow, remove, unseat, override, and succeed. Antonyms include keep, retain, stay, support, accept, and lower. See if you can supersede something today. For example, if you're having a race with your friends in the playground, see if you can win and beat your fastest friend. That way, you'll be superseding them. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.